Want to learn how to make this cool lamp? Stay tuned. I'm using the LED lamp kit from Maker Lab. You can also get the LED light on Amazon. Go to Maker World and you can download the step file for a base that fits it. And the first thing I'm going to do is measure the diameter of the base. Now let's open a new project in Fusion and start with a sketch. Let's draw a circle on the origin and make it slightly bigger than the base. I would make it 2 or 3 millimeters bigger. The next step is to extrude that circle to the height we want. Now let's fill up the top surface to make it into a sphere shape. Now we could use the coil feature in Fusion to create an interesting texture on the lamp. Go ahead and play around with the number of revolutions, the size of the coil, as well as whether you want it round or triangular, and see what you can come up with. And then the last step in Fusion is to go ahead and shell the object. Make it less than 1 millimeter thick so that the light shines through. And then you can save that file so you can bring it into Bamboo Studio or your slicer software. In your slicer, import both the base and the lampshade itself. Now go ahead and arrange the objects. For the lampshade, you're going to go ahead and want to use variable layer height so that the round top is smooth. Make sure you turn off the auto brim feature, as well as slow down your first layer speed. Finally, in your slicer, go ahead and slice and print your lamp. It's time to assemble the lamp. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.